Hello student. This is a grade 10 mathematics lesson presented by KEMER TUBE according to new curriculum. In the previous video, we were present about Unit 1 on relations, specifically the revision of patterns lesson 1. We have seen the arithmetic patterns and geometric patterns in detail with brief examples. In this video, we will present a Cartesian coordinate system in 2 dimensions with brief examples. Now let us proceed to the lesson directly. 1.1.2 Cartesian coordinate system in 2 dimensions lesson 2. Also called a rectangular coordinate system is defined by an ordered pair of perpendicular lines or axes. Let point P with coordinates x and y is an ordered pair on the plane, then x is called abscissa and y is called ordinate of P. Example. Complete the following table with positive, negative or 0 that applies to each coordinate of a point P with coordinates x and y. Solution. On the first quadrant, the first coordinate, or x-axis is positive and the second coordinate, or y-axis is also positive. On the second quadrant, the abscissa is negative and the ordinate is positive. On the third quadrant, both the abscissa and the ordinate are negative. On the fourth quadrant, the first coordinate is positive and the second coordinate is negative. On the positive x-axis, the first coordinate, or x-axis is positive and the second coordinate, or y-axis is 0. On the negative x-axis, the first coordinate, or x-axis is negative and the second coordinate, or y-axis is 0. On the positive y-axis, the abscissa is 0, and the ordinate is positive. On the negative y-axis, the abscissa is 0 and the ordinate is negative. Did you get the answer, student? Very good. Now let us proceed to the next example. Are you ready? Very good. The second example is: plot the following points on the coordinate system. The given points are: point A with abscissa 1 and ordinate 1. Point B with abscissa negative 1 and ordinate 2. Point C with abscissa 2 and ordinate negative 1. Solution. We can plot all the 3 points on the same coordinate system. As you observe from the coordinate system, point A lies on the first quadrant, point B lies in the second quadrant and point C lies in the fourth quadrant. Student, in this video we have seen that Cartesian coordinate system, signs of coordinates of points in each quadrant, and how can plot points on the coordinate system. I'm sure you got some basic concepts about the Cartesian coordinate system in 2 dimensions. This is all about the Cartesian coordinate system. Please subscribe my channel, and like and comment all my videos. Until next time, have a nice time.